One of the many questions we are confronted with each time we do a new project is, can I just put the picture that I found on the internet on my page without citing it? The rule at Penn Charter is that all images found in any database need to be cited. It could be from Google Images, it could be from Flickr, it could be just about any place you might find on the internet. In order to cite those images properly, I'm going to walk you through noodletools and how this process works. The first thing you need to do is go to noodletools and log in. Next, you want to click on Bibliography at the top of the window, which will then bring up a window that will show you Works Cited. There you will click on the button that says Create Citation and choose from that list of work citation. As you scroll down, you will find audio-visual, a list of audio-visual items you can choose from, and for an image you want to choose the option that says painting, sculpture, or photograph. noodletools will then ask you, we think you mean painting, sculpture, photograph with all the options listed. If that's correct, then go ahead and you'll just click on the next button. And if it's not, there's many other options below that for you to choose. On the next screen, it gives you 4 options to choose as the type of publication you were getting your picture from. Is it artwork from a museum? Is it a picture from online? Could it be a digital file? Or could it be electronic media, a work of art in a museum or a private collection? Something that you might find on a CD or a DVD. In your case, where we're dealing with Google Images, you're going to choose online. The next item will say, what specifically are you citing? And of course, you're going to be citing a photograph or digital image. So make sure you click on that button and then choose next. So here's a sample of a picture I found on the internet by way of Google Images. It's an elephant with a pink baby elephant, of all things. What you want to do in order to find out the information you need for your citation is to click on the link that says website for this image. Then go back to noodletools, give a name to your image so you know what you're talking about, and then click on the button that says, is this a description of the image? And click yes. Now we can go back to our website and see what the title of the web page is. In this particular instance, it's BBC News. And at the bottom of the page is the actual publisher or the person who is sponsoring the page. This is BBC. Now we'll go back to the online retrieval information in noodletools. We'll put the name of the website, which we saw was BBC News, the publisher or the sponsor, which we saw was BBC. Now you may or may not have a date of the publication, and if you don't, just leave it blank. Many times you won't. You're also going to copy and paste the URL from where the actual picture came from, not from the Google Sites, but from the actual website. And then the date that you were at that website to see the picture. And now you are finished putting in your citation for your picture that you're putting into your project. noodletools will also give you a web link. If you'll see underneath the name painting, sculpture, photograph, there's a web link. So that when you export this citation out to Google Docs and then put it into your bibliography, anyone who's looking at it can click on the web link and see the picture. That's it for using noodletools to create citations for your images. If you have any questions about it, go back and take a look at this one more time.